right, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I got a neat product to share with you guys. It's from a company called Work Stuff. Work Stuff makes all kinds of neat stuff, but in particular, I really have been digging their detailing brushes. Now, this is one of my larger detailing brushes in this small category. Now, some of the things I like about it right off the bat: fits perfectly in the hand. It's a well thought out handle. It's tapered nicely, so when you grab it, it's just a good fit, a good feel. You can get some good agitation without wearing down your hands. And another cool part about it is it's nice fat diameter, so you get a lot of surface when you're cleaning. Not only that, but this collar has the bristles packed so tightly in there that it makes them kind of really rigid actually, but they're also really soft. So you get a lot of agitation power, but you don't have to worry about it marring and scratching that soft clear coat on the wheels. At under $20, this is a keeper. This is going into my brush drawer, and I'm gonna use it routinely on my wheels, man. This is awesome. Okay, another cool product is the BOARS hair brush, man. This is a little one, man. You always want that little one to get down into those little areas where you don't want the giant brush like this one. You know, this isn't gonna cut it in every spot, man. I like this one for the wheels. But now we're in the interior and we're working along those door panels, trying to get down in between those, you know, window switches and locks and all that neat stuff. This is going to give you that little extra agitation. Again, a tightly packed collar, nice stiff bristles, and a little bit coarser action with these boar's hairs. So this is going to be nice. Now let's get into the orange synthetics. Now the synthetic detailing brushes are more for really harsh chemicals. It also has that really tight collar. These are extremely soft, but packed so tight that again, you're getting just good agitation out of it. These are gonna be really nice for those harsh chemicals. We also have the white albino version of the same chemical resistant brush. This is gonna be another one. This is quite a bit softer, looks thinner. These are a little thicker. The whites are a little thinner, a little softer, and they're going to be nice for agitating harsh chemicals in those hard to get areas where we don't want to destroy our brushes. So all in all, man, I think that these Work Stuff brushes are really high quality. You know, I've had all kinds of detail brushes over the years, but man, when I first pulled these out of the box, I thought to myself, man, somebody put some thought into the ergonomics, into the quality of the bristles. And again, my favorite thing about all of the Work Stuff line is just that really tight collar that makes those bristles. We're not gonna have these falling out all over the place. And it gives you that nice, thick, supported feel that gives you that nice agitation. You can just look at that, man. I'm pressing really hard. And it's at the end of it, it's really, really plush soft. So that's awesome. All right, so that's all I got to say for the Work Stuff brushes. These are a nice little addition. They're reasonably priced. I'll have some links down in the description so you guys can check them out. And if you need some brushes, I would definitely take a peek at these guys. All right, so if you like these type of product reviews, detailing videos, and everything I do here in my shop, consider hitting that subscribe button, man. We'd love to have you along for the ride. All right, and if you have any questions about the Work Stuff brushes or anything else I do in here, man, feel free to ask down in the comments. I'll get back to you as quick as I can. And you guys know I like you hanging out in the channel and participating. That's awesome. All right, and as with every good product, man, these Work Stuff brushes, man, they made the cut, you know? Not everything makes the cut. I check a lot of stuff out and I think, you know, I order stuff, I bring it in, I try to, you know, vet it to make sure it works good before I put it on the channel. I've used all these quite a bit, man. I don't want to bring anything on here and tell you guys that it's good until I've put it through my testing process and it makes sense for me to recommend it, man. So the Work Stuff bristle brushes are awesome, and here we go. Oh man, they're gonna live in my kit. You're gonna see me using these over and over again over the years. And that's all I got to say. We'll see you on the next one. Yeah.